Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? Number 1, 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. Let us find which one is greater. Right? Let us find. Now here you see question number 1. Question number 1 is 2 by 3 and 5 by 2 and 5 by 2. Here you see that both the denominators are different, right? Therefore, you have to make the denominator same. That means you have to take the LCM of 3 and 2. Take the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2. You can divide only by 1, that is 3 and 2. Therefore, you can write LCM as is equal to 3 into 2. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Right? This number 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to. Now, if we divide 6 by 3, we will get 2. Therefore, 3 into 2. And this one multiply 2 into 2. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator the same number. Right? It is 4 by 6. And this number 5 by 2. 5 by 2. If you divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. That is 2 into 3. And it is 5 into 3. This is 5 3 is 15. This is 15. And 2 3 is 6. Now you see both the denominators is same. Therefore, 15 is greater than 4. Therefore, you can write 15 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6. Greater than 4 by 6. Now, 15 by 6 is this number 5 by 2. Therefore, we can say 5 by 2 is greater, or 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 2. 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 2. Right? Or you can say 4 by 6 is less than 15 by 6. Right? That means 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 2. That is question number 1. Solution of question number 1. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see. Question number 2 is, question number 2 minus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. And this one is minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Now here you see that both the denominators are different. Therefore, you have to find the LCM of this number. Let us take the LCM of 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Here divided by 3. 3 2 is 6. And 3 1 is 3. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Right? This number is minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. If we divide the LCM by 6, you will get 1. Then we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 1. And you are getting minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. And this number minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. If you divide 6 by 3, you will get 2. Then we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. That is 3 into 2. And minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. And 3 2 is 6. If we compare minus 5 by 6 and the number minus 8 by 6 minus 8 by 6, here you see the 6 both are the denominator is same, and the minus 5 and minus 8, and here you see that minus 5 is greater than minus 8. Therefore, you can say that minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 8 by 6. Right? That is minus 5 by 6. This means minus 5 by 6. Right? That is minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 4 by 3. This is greater. Right? Minus 5 by 6 is greater because minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 8 by 6. Minus 8 by 6 means minus 4 by 3. Right? Therefore, you can say that minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 4 by 3. Now, question number 3. Question number 3, here you see is, question number 3 is minus 3 by 4 and minus and 2 by minus 3 and 2 by minus 3, 2 by minus 3. Now the denominators are different, right? Therefore you take the LCM of the denominator. Take the LCM, that is 4 and 3, 4 and 3. You have to divide by 1, that is 4 and 3. Therefore LCM is equal to 4 into 3, that is 12. This number is minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. You divide the LCM, divide the number 12 by 4, it gets 3. Therefore you have to multiply it 4 with 3. And minus 3 is also multiplied by 3. Then you are getting minus 9 and 4 3 is 12. And this is 2 by minus 3, that is same as minus 2 by 3. If we write in standard form, it will be minus 2 by 3. Now if we divide the numerator 12 by 3, we will get 4. That means 3 into 4. Minus 2 into 4. That is minus 4 is a minus 8. And this is 3 4 is 12. Now if we compare this number, minus 9 by 12 and minus 8 by 12, both the denominator is same, but you see here that on the number line minus 8 is on the right side of minus 9. Therefore this is minus 8 is by 12, minus 9 by 12 is less than minus 8 by 12, right? Minus 8 by 12 is minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, right? That is minus 8 by 12, minus 2 by 3. That means 9 by minus 9 by 12 minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 3 by 4 is less than 2 by minus 3, right? Here because minus 9 by 12 is less than minus 8 by 12, so minus 9 by 12 means minus 3 by 4. This is less than 2 by minus 3. This is the solution of question number 3. Let us solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is, question number 4 is this one. Question number 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and another number is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Here you see this is a negative rational number and this is positive rational number. So we know that positive rational number is always greater than negative rational number. Therefore we can say that minus 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 4, right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is minus 3 whole 2 by 7. And another number is minus 3 by 4, minus 3 whole 4 by 5. If we change this into fraction, then we are getting 3 7 21. If to multiply this one and add this numerator, 3 7 21, 21 plus 2, 23. That is minus 3 7 21, 22, 23, 23 by 7. And this one is multiply this number, that is 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 4, that is 19, minus 19 by 5, minus 19 by 5. One is minus 23 by 7 and another one is minus 19 by 5, right? Another one is minus 19 minus 19 by 5. Now here you see the denominator is different, right? That means you have to take the LCM of 7 and 5. Here you taking the LCM of 7 and 5. 7. This number is 7 and 5. If you divide it by 1, you will get 7 and 5. 7, 5. Therefore, LCM can be written as LCM is equal to 5 into 7. That comes to 35. Right? Now we'll solve this problem, that is minus 23 by 7. Minus 23 by 7. If we divide LCM by 7, you will get 7 5 is 35. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. That is 7 into 5. And this one is minus 23 into 5. 5 7 35. You are getting 5 7 35. And if you multiply 23 with 5, you get 23 with 5. 5 3 15, carry 1, here it is 5. 5 to the 10 plus 1 is 11, 115. That is minus 115 by 35. And another number is minus 19 by 5. Minus 19 by 5. If we divide the LCM, that is 35 by 5, we'll get 7. Right? 5 7 35. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. It is 5 into 7. And this number will be minus 19 into 7. The denominator is 5 7 35. And if we multiply 19 by 7, you are getting 19 by 7. 7 and 63. 6, here it is 3. 7 and 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. That is 133 by 35. That is minus 133 by 35. Now if we compare this number, that is minus 115 by 35. And compare this number, that is minus 133 by 35. Now here you see both the denominator is same, right? Now you see here that minus 115 is on the right side of minus 133. Why? If in a number line you see here, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Here you see minus 1 is on the right side of minus 2, the number which is less, right? There is 1, right? There is minus 1 is greater than minus 2, right? That means minus 1 is on the right side. Therefore here, since minus 115 is on the right side of minus 133, therefore minus 115 by 35 is greater than minus 133 by 35, right? Minus 115 by 35 means this one, this number, minus 23 by 7, that means this number. Therefore we can say that minus 3 whole 2 by 7 is always greater than minus 3 whole 4 by 5, right? This is the solution of question number 9 of exercise 9.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.